Hello, welcome to the next lesson of our new series coming to you from Ekhlass Private School. Today, before we start, I'd like you to look at this picture, guys, and try to guess what the topic of today may be speaking about. We will be speaking about turtles. I think, guys, we will be speaking about some specific types of turtles, specifically the hawksbill turtle, which is having a brown shell on its back. So now is speaking about something called endangered animals of the UAE. Here, according to a January 2015 report in the local Arabic daily Al Ittihad, around 800 types of plants, 48 land mammals, 440 bird species, 72 reptiles and amphibians, and more than 5,000 invertebrates in the UAE are at risk of extinction. Extinction, guys, means these animals, I think, they will not be existing after a period. So the main reason are the loss of habitat because of urban sprawl, pollution, climate change, unsustainable hunting, deforestation, and overgrazing. Give you some examples from the lesson of today, guys, like hawksbill turtle and European leopard. So I will ask you a question and I need to see all of your answers in the comments down below. What are the other animals you know that are about to extinct? As I told you about the meaning of extinct, these animals will not be existing in the near future or in the far future. So our lesson of today is basically based on reading. That's why we need to know some vocab in the beginning, and after this we have to read and answer the questions that I will give you after we finish. Endangered species is an animal species that is in danger of becoming extinct. The next one is hawksbill turtle, small tropical turtle with a brown and yellow shell. Ornament is an attractive object that you display in your home or in your garden. A breed of a pet animal or a farm animal is a particular type of it. Habitat. The habitat of an animal or plant is the natural environment in which it normally lives or grows. Prey. Creatures of prey are the creatures that it hunts and eats in order to live. Sponge. Sponge is a sea animal with a soft round body made of natural sponge. Coral reefs. A coral reef is a long narrow mass of coral and other substances, the top of which is usually just above or just below the surface of the sea. Conservation. Conservation is saving and protecting the environment. The vocab again, guys. Endangered species, hawksbill turtle, ornament, breed, habitat, prey, sponge, coral reefs. Now, after reading the lesson of today, guys, I need you to answer all of these questions. The first question for today, which is, what are the dangers that hawksbill turtles face in the UAE? The next one, why is the existence of hawksbill turtles important at the beaches of the UAE? The third one is, what is the difficult situation that the European leopard live? The next one, which is, what are the efforts of the UAE to protect these creatures? So now, after you finish reading, guys, I need you to write 10 lines as a summary for the whole text you read. This is feedback. So if you understood very well, try to write down a summary for the whole text. This will test your understanding for the text. If you have any questions, guys, please feel free to ask and don't hesitate to leave all of your questions or inquiries in the comments down below. For watching, guys, please keep in touch and try to answer all of these questions in this video, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.